Hi there, welcome back to J&S Accessories. Today we're going to talk about how to remove the visor off your helmet. We're going to do it as an Ask Aid because what I want you to do, if you're unsure on how to get the visor off your existing helmet, I want you to comment below. What we'll do is, if we've got the helmet in stock, we'll get the helmet and we'll show you how to remove the visor. It's important for some of the following reasons really. Okay, first reason is obviously to clean the visor. We all know we should be cleaning the visor on the inside and on the outside. Second reason is to get to the base plates so that we can properly service and clean those. Third reason is the visor seal itself. You can't clean it and lubricate it like you're supposed to with the visor on. So there's three good reasons why we need to be able to take the visor off our existing helmets. Okay, we're going to use this Shoei NXR as an example on how to take the visor off this particular model, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to you about one of the important reasons why we're taking the visor off, and that was to lubricate the seal. I'm going to show you how to do that and what to use. So on this Shoei NXR, the first thing we do is open the visor to the maximum point, and then there is a little lever here. What we do is we pull this lever down. Hopefully you can see it on the video. Pull this lever down all the way. This then lets us release the visor out, and it really is as simple as that. I'm just going to flick it around, do the other side. So visor all the way up, that lever there, try not to cover it up with my thumb, but that lever there, down, and out comes the visor. Right, I said to you before about the visor seal and to lubricate it. It's very important we do that, because when this goes dry, the visors tend not to shut properly. They tend to stick, grip. It's bad news. So what we need to do is lube it up so that when the visor comes down, it moves over smoothly, it shuts properly, and we don't get any water or wind ingress. There's two ways you can do that. First of all, if it is with a Shoei like this one, you will get a little tub of lubricant in the box. Okay, and all you do is you just put a little bit on there, and then you can either rub it round with your finger all the way around the visor seal, and you can see the colour change in the seal straight away. It's going like a really glossy colour, and this is the lubricant being moved around it. You can use that, or what we have here in the store for what we use is a silicone pen. Same thing. Just rub it all the way around the visor seal. Does exactly the same job, just a little less messy for us. So that's how you lubricate the visor. Please remember to like and subscribe for more videos.